Are there times when a policy won't pay out?
Yes, exclusions are specific clauses that allow the insurance company to deny a death benefit claim if the death happens under certain circumstances. While many former exclusions are now handled with higher premiums, some standard exclusions still exist.
So, what are some of the common exclusions?
One common one is for death due to war or military service.
Right.
These clauses protect the insurer from potentially massive losses during wartime. There are two main types. The status clause, which says there's no coverage if the insured is in the military, even on leave, and the results clause, which excludes coverage if the death results from military actions regardless of whether war has been declared. Results clauses are more common nowadays. Aviation is another area where exclusions can apply. These typically exclude deaths from risky non-commercial flying, like stunt piloting, test piloting, being a student pilot, or crop dusting. However, most policies do cover you if you die as a paying passenger or crew member on a commercial flight.
Okay. What about death during illegal activity?
Many policies exclude deaths from involvement in a felony or illegal occupation. However, these usually only apply to the person doing the illegal act and wouldn't affect innocent beneficiaries. Some policies also exclude coverage if the death happens while under the influence of alcohol or drugs. And as we discussed earlier, most policies have a suicide exclusion for a period, usually the first 2 years.
What about dangerous jobs or hobbies?
Insurers might exclude deaths from hazardous occupations, hobbies, or activities like deep-sea diving or extreme sports. However, it's becoming more common for them to assess these risks and offer coverage at a higher premium instead of completely excluding them. If something is specifically excluded in your policy, it's excluded for good. If it's not excluded when you buy the policy, then it's generally covered. There's also often a change of occupation provision that lets the insurer adjust benefits or premiums if you switch to a much riskier or safer job.
Wow, this has been a really insightful look into life insurance policies. So, for the learner listening, what's the most important thing to take away?
The key takeaway is that even though life insurance policies seem complicated, they have a lot of standardized parts. These are there to protect both the company and, more importantly, you, the policy owner. Understanding what these clauses mean helps you make better decisions about your coverage, whether you're getting a new policy or already have one.